Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by stabilizing the phone and preparing the capture. Clean the lens, mount the iPhone on a tripod, and enable Pro RAW if you want maximum editing headroom. Once done, open the camera app and let night mode engage automatically. You'll see the yellow moon icon and an exposure time. Tap to set focus and hold to lock AE/AF so the camera doesn't hunt. Make small exposure adjustments with the slider. Longer exposure gathers more light, but needs steadier support. Now compose deliberately. Place a clear subject and include foreground interest, and use the grid to keep horizons straight. Tap to focus on your subject and slide the exposure control to increase or decrease capture time. Longer times let in more light but require perfect steadiness. Make sure you're choosing the lens that suits the scene. The main wide lens usually gives the best night results, whereas telephoto reduces available exposure time. Once satisfied, use the timer or a remote to avoid touching the phone. Finish by reviewing your frames in photos and pick the sharpest one. Pro RAW files give the most latitude for noise reduction, highlight recovery, and color correction, so make those adjustments first. Crop and straighten as needed, then export at full resolution or save a smaller share copy. If images are soft, check the lens for smudges, ensure the phone is immobile, increase exposure time, or restart the camera app. That single troubleshooting step often fixes mysterious blur caused by software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.